around $2,000 each. That is 1.45 lakh Indian rupees. Now he made his mission in life to make reading accessible. To make reading accessible for every blind person in the world. And he started research on that particular thing. And today, 1 year later, he is the co-founder of Brago Companies Limited. These companies manufacture braille printers at the cost of $324 only. From $2,000 to $324, 1.45 lakh rupees to 22,000 rupees. He has made reading and education accessible to blind people all around the world. And his age, still 14 years old. This is why we do the Make and Market program in our college, to bring out young entrepreneurs and young minds who can make a world a little less better and a little less bitter for people who find it hard to live in this world. Finally, we had 60 to 80 teams from St. Peter's come to us for selections. And let me tell you that within the last 5 or 6 years, I've had the chance to work with a lot of young entrepreneurs. And the products that I and my team viewed from St. Peter's all have the potential. But since we cannot accommodate everybody there, we tried to accommodate the maximum number of people, and out of those 60 we have went on to select the 20 top teams for our competition. And it has been the most difficult part of our job to select those 20 teams. So I would like my friends to hand over the money, the seed capital of 500 rupees each per team. For 15 teams, 10,000 rupees to the principal, sir. Sir, please.
Principal Madam also is requested to join the accepting.
Thank you, Mustafa. So first of all, I congratulate the SR students coming forward. Even our students are there. So they are given the opportunity every year for our students, especially for the 8th and 9th class students, to involve in the projects which they want to draw out the various projects which are very important, which are useful for our nation. So keeping in that, to develop these skills, so they have taken these projects and encouraging the schools to participate in this program, and the best projects are also being awarded and even purchased for the higher cost. So for the initially, they are sponsoring for every project 500 rupees and giving our school opportunity to select nearly 15 exhibits. So we are so much thankful to you, your team members, and we will also come to that expectation this year also, that our students will do their best in these projects and come with truly and getting awards in these projects also. Thank you so much for your kind attendance.
Two chairs.